Hey guys, it has been a while since I shared with you guys my acne story, and so I thought it was about time that I share with you guys all of the skincare products that I use for my skin. Now, I still have a lot of discoloration, I still have lots of hormonal breakout, but I am very happy with my skin right now. I've never been happier with my skin. A lot of the products I've been using for at least a year, but some of the products I've been using for 5 years. If I had to take out everything, I would just keep my moisturizer and my face wash. And I've been using the Shiseido line for 5 years now. And throughout the 5 years, I have tested out a few other products. I've tested out the Purity from Philosophy, and I've tested out a couple other face washes and moisturizers, and I have not found one that I love. I use the Ibuki line. Now, you don't just have to use the Ibuki line. They have a anti-aging line, they have a line that is good for oily skin, and they have a couple others that I like. They have like a brightening one. This is like a very universal one. If you have acne skin, if you have dry skin, if you have a little bit of oily skin, this would be for you. But I mean, if you have like severe oily skin, I would just use their oil face wash line. So I use the face wash morning and night, and then I use the moisturizer morning and night. Now they have like a day moisturizer that has SPF in it, and then they have like a night moisturizer. I just use the night moisturizer because it is the most moisturizing in my opinion, and if I want sunscreen on, I will just add that on. I really don't love a ton of products that have moisturizer in it, so that is what I use for my face wash and my moisturizer. The next product that I use is Emu Oil. I got my Emu Oil from SkinObsessions.com, and I went and got a facial like a year ago, I want to say, and my friend recommended that I use Emu Oil on my skin at night. I actually use the Emu Oil on my skin in the morning and at night, but since I'm running low, I just do at night. What I like to do with it is I wash my skin, I wash my face, I pat it dry, and then I take the Emu Oil and I just pat it into my skin, and then I let it sit for a couple minutes while I brush my teeth, and then I put my moisturizer on over that. And the Emu Oil just helps replenish your skin. It helps put moisturizer into your skin. It helps make my skin softer and smoother, and my makeup goes on a lot better. I don't have little dry patches on my skin anymore, and I really liked using oil on my skin. The next few products that I'm going to talk about, these are just sporadic. I only use them once in a while. So the first 3 products, the Emu Oil, the face wash, and the moisturizer, that is what I use on my skin every day without fail. But the next products I just use once in a while. These microdermabrasion crystals I got from SkinObsessions.com as well. The microdermabrasion crystals is just like an exfoliant. I am very, very hesitant with exfoliating my face. When I had a lot of acne and I ran into the lady at Nordstrom's that is now my friend, she told me that I was exfoliating my skin too much and I was breaking the top layer of my skin. So I don't exfoliate a lot, and when I do exfoliate, it is not very harsh. I just use a little bit of those microfine crystals with my face wash at night, maybe every other week, and I just lightly buff it onto my skin. I do it very lightly. It's almost a step that I could skip, but I do like doing it once in a while. What would be a skincare without a pampering product to pamper yourself once in a while? This is a product that I really have only been using for a couple months, so I guess this is the only product out of the bunch that is fairly new to me, and it is the Mask of Magnamenti that I got from Lush. And I have been using this on my skin like as a facial mask, like once a week is what I've been trying to shoot for, but sometimes I go a little bit longer. When I went and purchased it, I told the lady that I wanted a moisturizing mask, and I think the one time that I've been to Lush that she may not have known what she was talking about was that time, because she's like, we really don't have any, and I know Lush does, but this is the one that she recommended to me, and it is not a moisturizing mask, it is a deep cleansing mask. If you have way, way sensitive skin, like I think my sister would hate this. She has pretty sensitive skin, but it almost burns. It is so tingly, and I don't even want to use the word burn, but it kind of does. When you put it on your face, you're like, holy moly, like It just is so tingly, but it is a deep cleansing mask. It is packed full of peppermint, and that's the main reason why it is like that, but yes, it does even say it's a deep cleansing mask. And the last product that I have been using once in a blue moon, I actually got it several years ago when I first got married. I actually got it when I started the Shiseido skincare line. It is the Clarisonic Mia, and I really only use it once in a while. I stopped using it for like 6 months. I had never replaced the head on the brush of the head, and I actually replaced it just like a couple days ago. So since then, I've started to use it every night with my face wash, but honestly, it's something that I've had for years, and I feel like if it's something that I truly loved, I would use it every day. Like my Shiseido products, I use every day, and it's just because I really love them. But the Clarisonic, I use it, I have used it, I'm using it right now, but it's not a crucial step in my skincare routine. Those are all the products that I use. I truly feel like I don't have a whole ton of products that I use. I stick to a couple basics that work really well for me. A couple of them I don't have to use, but I like to use because I have them, and I do feel like it has helped my skincare routine. And like I said, I branched out a little bit with my skincare in the past, and I haven't liked anything. I went to Sephora and I had like my 500 point rewards that I could use, and I got the Peter Thomas Roth, like a face wash, exfoliant, like a little moisturizing cream. And honestly, the Peter Thomas Roth I had never heard of until I got that package, and I have used it on and off just in between my skincare stuff, and that is the one skincare line that I have liked. So when I'm all done with those samples, I will give you guys a review on what I think, so I may go purchase just a few of the products that I got. But one last thing with skincare, a lot of people, since I've worked in the salon, I always relate everything to the salon, but since I've worked in the salon, a lot of people are like, oh, I can't spend tons of money on my hair, oh, I don't want to spend lots of money on my skincare, this and that. I understand it. When you buy anything, whether it's $2 or $20, it's an investment of your money, and something that I have told myself the past couple years is if I'm gonna spend money on one thing, would it be a blouse, a shirt, shorts, pants, or my skincare? I wear my skin every day, and I am willing to invest money into my skincare routine versus anything else in my life, and it is just something that I am glad that I did because I am happier with myself, I'm happier with my skin, and I think confidence is the biggest thing in life, because you need to have confidence with yourself, and you need to like kind of respect yourself, and then with that you can have confidence in other people and respect other people. I don't know, it's just kind of this little thing that I have in my head. One thing I didn't include is an eye cream. I do use an eye cream, but honestly it's sporadic. I use an eye cream every night, but the product that I use is not something that I always have to use. Right now I'm just using the Origins eye cream, but every time I go into Sephora, they always ask, do you want a sample? So I get 2 samples of an eye cream and I use it up, and then the next time I go and buy makeup, they ask for a sample, so I get a couple more. So honestly, I have bought in eye creams, and I've used samples of eye creams, and I haven't found one I am head over heels in love with. That is my skincare routine, that is my skincare products. I hope that you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I would definitely choose the moisturizer. Ugh. I would just choose the moisturizer. Oh my heck. It would definitely be the moisturizer. I cannot say that today. Moisturizer. What would be a skincare without a nice, whoa, my eyelash.